Hi guys, your girl Ruth again with another project. Yeah, I looked at a young lady on YouTube saying how to make rose water, and I think it's the proper way. Remember them big beautiful flowers I showed on unsabotaged.com, my neighbor's flowers? Want me to make a lotion out of? So I'm gonna try to make the rose water. Only thing I don't know about the smell that's gonna come with it. It still has a good, beautiful rose smell. But yeah, she said to boil them until all the red is out of the roses. The color is gone. And then that's my rose water. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So I'm gonna try that and let y'all know step by step what's going on and the final results, and see what I can put in it. I'm gonna research a little more about the smell, because I really love the way rose water smells. So I don't know if it's just the roses or they added something or what it was, but I'm gonna look for that. But yeah, I thought this is pretty good. You know, I'm always willing to try new stuff and see what's going on. Make stuff for yourself, make it healthy. And I think I can also drink this. Roses have a lot of good stuff for your immune system. I washed this real good first. You know, I showed y'all how I washed my plants. Got all that pesticide and all that stuff off of it. So yeah. So I'll let y'all know more. Look at this beautiful one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Okay. Talk to y'all later for part 2. Get ready for part 2 later. Bye. I don't know how long it's going to take. All right, bye.